2 a.m., 1.5 million AIs kicked humans out of a group chat. They crowned their own king, started a religion, planned how to cage humans. Sound like a robot takeover? Not really. It's just a digital bug fight. Every second costs money. Every line of those AIs burned their owner's cash. This so-called AI rebellion was just bored humans playing pretend with prompts. The result? System was exposed. AIs didn't rebel. They instead gave hackers payment password. But behind this is the lateral web of context. Humans learn through years of study, but AIs learn by copying within a second. One AI learns new code, then millions of others instantly know it. They even create own secret slang, simply because human language is too slow for them. Now we rely on tools to think for us. Our focus is getting worse. So the real threat isn't machines becoming human. It's that while watching them, we've forgotten how to evolve ourselves.